Our planet is the greatest living puzzle in the universe. A collection of worlds within worlds. Each one a self-contained ecosystem, bursting with life. But how do they work? The intricate web of relationships and the influence of natural forces makes each micro-world complex and unique. So to discover their secrets, we need to explore them one by one, untangle their interlocking pieces, and ultimately reveal the vital piece, the key to life itself, hidden deep within each of nature's micro-worlds. In the remote temperate region of the Pacific Northwest, there's a remarkable ecosystem. Canada's coastal forest has some of the largest trees on Earth. And they reach right down to the shoreline. But that's not all. This place is also jam-packed with wildlife. This coastline is an extraordinary merging of land and sea, which showcases some of nature's greatest living spectacles. The forest is home to iconic species like bears, eagles, and wolves. In fact, these coastal areas are such great habitat for these top predators that they're here in some of the highest densities on the continent. Winters here can be harsh, with blanketing snow and very little sunlight. Yet this forest is one of the most productive in the world. The sheer volume of plant material this forest accumulates outweighs even some of the world's tropical rainforests.